electronic companies. We mainly produce some car player and navigators. There are hundreds of versions that belongs to the special machines. They have 1 plus 16, 2 plus 16, 2 plus 32, 4 plus 34 memories. We have mainly 10 years produce experience. We are going to do a series of the produce introduced. Now we are going to introduce the first product. Let's start. And this product called 166 and is 10 entrance, and it has a well kit separate, and it supports GPS functions, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi functions, and it has 1 plus 16 memories. As you can see this small house, it is only belongs our companies, and we have a pretend in this small house. 1 Android 9 and 10 entrance, including FM, GPS, Bluetooth, AHD, 0.5D IPS HD screen, single buttock up and down adjustable. Buttock has strong head dispersion effect. Electrical socket. Now I'm going to show you the packing presentation. This one is the car radio user manual. This is the USB. The GPS navigators. The audio cables. The power cables. This one can enhance the channel. This is the fourth of the cables. Now I'm going to show you the cables of this product. This one is the negative cables, battery, ACC, small lights, and the internal cables. This is the reversing back cameras. This tool of cable is the steering controls. Next one is the 4 of the groups of the various cables. If these candles have the backlight, then it means to the negative. Okay, next one, we are going to show you how to connect and turn on these machines. You need to connect the negative cables. Batteries. The small lights. ACC cables. Then connect the cable's powers. First step, show you guys how to change the user interface. This process, you need to enter the password. Restart the machine. Change the another one. Open the radio. You can search the channel by itself. Now connect the Bluetooth. You can make a phone call. Next one, show you guys how to connect the mail drive connected. This function needs to connect the USB function. Now I will